How to order on Seamless. Let's jump right into this video. You can download your Seamless application using your Play Store or an App Store. You can also find Seamless in a browser by searching for www.seamless.com. Either way, you have to sign in your Seamless account. You can tap on Sign into Seamless for manual login or continue with Facebook or continue with Google. If you do not have an account, tap on Create a Seamless account. Once your account is created, in your homepage you will find a lot of options that you can choose from. Tap on the search icon to search for a particular food item, restaurant, or grocery. Once you are happy with your order, in the cart option, you have to go ahead and tap on the shopping cart option to view all of your orders. Then you can go ahead and select more order to add up or remove some of the ordered items, and it will be displayed something like this. If you had a promo code, simply add the promo code in the dialog box, then tap on Apply. Once you have submitted your order, you will have the option of Checkout. Then tap on the Checkout option, then tap on Got it, where it will notify you some of the taxes and fees that will be included. Just tap on Continue. On to the next step, go ahead and submit your delivery details, that is your street address, your apartment number, and everything so that it can locate you. Now once it is done, tap on Update and save it for further or future reference as well. For payment, use any of the payment method that is preferred to you. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.